In this.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this.
Poo-poo.
Yeah, and look at the roof. Let's do it in the teeth cleaning motion.
It's not a game.
Let's go slimy. Oh no, boots, yes. I did one. Boom, yeah. Are you serious? Are you dying? It's so boring. What should we do? Let's call my kid creations. I got the number. I'm gonna ring him. Hello?
Hello, Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. Do you have anything for us to do because we're bored?
Oh, is there no happening? What have you been doing? Nothing. Just been playing games, I bet.
Yeah. Lockdown and
Yeah.
everything.
I've got something for you to do. Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Do you know what?
Yeah.
Are you all ready? Yeah, because I've got something exciting. Oh, do you know what? I've got a present for you as well.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I've got a present. Who's excited to see what I've got?
Yeah. Me.
Alright, listen, who's with you? Are the boys with you?
Yeah. The boys are with us. Leo and Dimples.
Alright, okay. I'll be there soon.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. It's been half an hour. Where is he? Oh my god. It's been like half an hour again. He's taking so long. He's already he's coming. Oh yes. Yes.
What's happening, boys and girls?
Oh yes. Can you put him on up, please?
What's happening?
Can you put him on up, please?
Oh, okay. Since you said please. Since you said please.
Please, can you put him on up? Wait. Okay, which one mine? Okay, where's mine? This one's mine. I'll be waiting for this for a long time. Yeah. Okay, this was all mine. Where's mine? Where's my pants?
We need to see what sizes are what. Are you happy with your price?
This is Oh, this is mine.
Now,
This is 7 to 8.
now you're officially part of the YK recreation.
Yay!
So that means you lot can now fix the Subarus.
Yeah!
Well, you've been fixing them anyway, but now you can help fix them more. We might even get you your own little project. Guys, if you want us to get these lot their own little project,
Drop a like.
Drop a like and comment in the comment section below.
I hate that bell, you know.
And hit that bell, you know, and then we'll get them something. Right, don't worry. Mr. Wakir here, she can help you pick your clothes as well. Why is the zip closed here? That's why. You need to open the zip.
My bed is yours.
Get this arm, is it the same? Put it on. They're all the same, nobody's better than each other. Where's mine? I own one.
You put our jumpers on though. What are we gonna do?
The reason why I put your jumpers on is because we've got a very important task to do. We need to make bubbles on the car with the sponge.
What?
Bubbles on the car with the sponge and maybe some water.
Okay, can I put the water in?
You can put the water in.
Can I put it on? Yeah,
You who wants to play with the sponge?
let's play with the sponge.
You want to play with the sponge?
Yeah, because I'm nearly gonna die.
Have you seen this?
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this.
Poo-poo.
Yeah, and look at the roof.
So ugly.
Oh my days.
Ugly, we need.
Look at, oh my days, look at this one.
Oh, that's bad.
That is really bad, isn't it?
Oh, that look like.
Look at that. It is bird poo. It's called poo. So let's see where else there is. Let's see where else the poo is.
Oh, look at this one. Oh, look at this one. Oh, we need to wash it with the jar.
Where? Oh my days, look at this car.
Oh, poo-poo everywhere. Oh, look at all that poo-poo there.
Yeah, big poo poo. Big poo poo.
Someone's big poo-poo. We need a jar washer.
Yeah, we need to get the jet washer right. Oh my days, it looks like, listen,
I look like bird poo.
listen, it looks like, are you alright there? It stinks. It doesn't smell, it's only bird poo. He's saying it smells, it don't even smell. What a liar. Where's the plug?
Come here, orange sponge too. Orange sponge too. Oh yeah,
Here.
look, you do.
So much happened to the jet
And
washer.
I watch it. No, I'm gonna watch it. How did it feel?
Do you know what? Let's fix this. Look at it.
It's just on a tip.
Let's fix this. Look, it's broken. I think they tried lifting it and it's just cracked. Do you think we can fix it? Let's go get some screws.
Broken.
Broken.
Let go.
Hold it, let go.
Why
Hold
the
it down there.
radiation is
Hold it down there.
finger. Can you see that? Come on.
That's it, let's see.
Come on.
Look at that fix.
Yeah.
Look at
Can
that.
I do it?
Hold on, let me.
I'll start you off. Where's the soap? Then you can do
Where's the
it.
soap? Right, we need the bucket. We need the orange bucket. Go get the orange bucket. Let's clean the bucket out.
Whoa. Can you pick that black one up? Oh, I don't like that.
The black one's for dirty wheels and that. We'll take it out for now. That's it. Now fill this up with water. Zip wax in it.
What?
Move.
I mix it.
Throw that in the sponge in there.
Put it on.
Let it fill up, yeah. Let all that fill up now.
Am I doing it? No.
Where's the bucket gone, you silly boys?
The bucket's gone. Oh, yeah. How the hell did that happen?
Yeah, try it. So what I'm doing is I'm spraying a bit of this on the poo, so the bird poo might come off easier. We need to wet the whole car. car's washing. Tell him where to come.
Why can't I finish?
No, not to us. Tell him not to come to us. Okay? He's confused. Oh my, why have you done that for?
My hands are frozen.
Your hands are frozen? Yeah. Go inside now, go warm them up.
Where's the rock?
Well, you two boys go inside, we'll finish it off. What the hell do these birds eat? So we've run into a bit of a problem. This bird poo is not coming off. That's using a lot of force, man. It's like it's heated and dropped in there. That is not coming off. You know what? I've got an idea. Let's use... Oh! Found a toothbrush from when we were cleaning the Subaru. Right, okay. Let's clean the toothbrush first. Ooh, got dirty, the toothbrushes. Let's, I'm going to clean the toothbrush. Do you wash it? It's not going to end well, is it? Bloody flying away. We feel it. Guys, I think we have found the solution to all your problems. All the people who live under the trees. Let's hope this works. Let's do it in the teeth cleaning motion. Sickles, do the sickles. Is it gone? No. Is it going?
2,000 years later.
Still there. It's right, stuck on. Now let's try the back of the toothbrush. Oh my days, look at that. It's like... It's like melted itself on, look. This is plastic, it is not even taking it off. Oh my days. I can't believe it, look at that. It's like poop. But it does not want to come. It's not happening. Guys, if you lot know how to remove bird poo, let me know. Because where I live is under a tree. Every morning I get a few poops on my car. By the end of the week I have plenty of poops on the car. It's like a generation of birds like to sit on that tree and like pooping on the car. It'd be better if they could poop whilst they're flying, but no, they poop whilst they sit. I'm presuming that's why it's got full of poop. Yeah, maybe. So yeah, if you know any tricks, let me know. Comment below. If you also live under a tree, let me know as well, because we might need to get in touch just to talk about our bird poop problems, because it's not looking good. All clean, ready for next time. You can bring that, put that back in here now. So we've cleaned the car up, got rid of most of the poo, still a bit of poo left. And what we also need to do is get this brother here a jacket, because it's not fair, he said. The other kids got their jackets, but he's one of the mains. So we need to get you a jacket. What size are you? Extra large? Small. Small? Small, right. So we need to make a jacket. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and see our other videos. See you in the next one.